Welcome back to Frequency Online Maths. So today we'll be solving these 2025 waec questions. That's their past questions. These 2025 waec past questions. So we are starting with number one. So we have that given that our universal set, which is U, is equals to, this thing is pronounced as U is equals to the set of all x. This dot dot means for such that you can still see it like this. It simply means for such that, or it can come like this, for such that. So U is equals to the set of all x for such that x is greater than 1 and x is less than 20, or you can still pronounce it as 1 is less than x and x is less than 20, where x is an integer. Now, we have again that P is equals to the set of all x for such that x is a multiple of what? 3. This is the set that P contains. And Q is equals to the set of all x for such that x is a prime number. Now, where P and Q are subset of what? U, right? So, P and Q are subset of what? U. Find A, P intercept U prime. B, P prime union Q. And C, P union Q prime. So, how can we solve this question? So, we are going to get started. So, solution. Solution. Okay. Let me not draw the line. So we'll be having, first of all, let's define all these sets. Our universal set, let's name the elements. That's roster form. Let's put it in listing method. That's roster form. It's in set builder notation. Let's put it in roster form. So they say that S contains from 1 to 19. That's what it's trying to. Okay, they said X is greater than what? 1. So we are going to start from where? 2 to what? 19. That X supposed to be less than what? 20. So we are going to have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and we are going to stop. So these are the sets that what our universal sets contain. And of course, they say that is an integer. Yes, all these things are positive integers. Now we have our P. Now P contains what? A multiple of what? 3. So P contains multiples of 3. Now remember they say that P is a subset of what? These are universal sets. So anything you are finding, your limit is supposed to be from where? Your limit is supposed to stop at where? 19, which is that of what? Our universal set. So you'll be taking reference from your universal set. So you must not disobey the universal set because P is what? A subset of the universal set. So you'll be having what? Multiples of 3 is just 3 times table. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 6, 18. So we are going to stop here because 3 times 9 will give us what? Sorry, 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 7, 21. So it will pass 19. So we stop here. Now, our Q is what? What did they say? Q is a prime number. So all the prime numbers, we are going to list all the prime numbers from, okay, that will not pass 19. So you know that prime number starts from where? 2. Those numbers that have only 2 factors. We have 2, right? We have 3, right? We have 5. We have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is a prime number. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, no, 19. So these are the list of what? The prime numbers. So these are a list of what? Prime numbers. Now what else? Alright. Now they say we are told to find P intercept what? Q prime. Now, first of all, I want us to find our P prime. So if we finish finding P prime, we look for Q prime. So that's all these ones will be easy for us to find. So our P prime, what is P prime? That's P complement. You can call it P complement. It simply means what is in this universal set that is not in P. As simple as that. So that's P prime. Anytime you hear about complement. So let's go. Um, 2 is in universal set, but it's not here. We skip 3 is here. 4 is here. 5, 6, 7. Okay, no. 6 is here. 7, 8, 8 right. 9 is also here, but it's not. 8, 10, 11, 11, 12 is here. 13, 14, 15, right? 15, 16, 17, and 19. So this is P prime. What is in the universal set that is not here? So let's check it again. 3, just 6, 9, 12, 15, 15. Okay, we made mistake. 15 is here and is also here. So we made mistake. Let's remove 15. Right? So we have 18. Wow. We made another. Okay, 18 is not there. 18, right? So that's 16, 17, and 19. So these are our this thing, P prime. Now let's look for Q prime. So our Q prime will now be what? Where is our Q? So what is Z that is not also here? So we start from 4. 2 is here, so it's not prime. 3 is here. So 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 is also here. So 12, 13 is here. 14, 15, 16, 17 is also here. 18. So these are what? Q prime. So these are Q prime. So we have 13. Alright. So now let's tackle the A aspect of the question. So P intercepts what? Q prime. So to get P intercepts Q prime, it will be what? What is our P intercepts Q prime? So what they have in common? What do they have in common? What do they have in common? What do they have in common? 6, comma, 9, comma, 12, comma, 15, comma, what again? 18. So this is what? P intercepts what? Q prime. P intercepts Q prime. Now B aspect, P prime union Q is equals to what? So P prime, which is this, union what? Q. So just union of sets, just bring the two sets together without repetition. So we start with 2, 3, 4, 5. Is there any 6 here? Any 6 here? No. 7, 8, any 9? Any 9? No. 10, 11. 11 is 2, so we pick one. Any 12 here? Any 12 here? No. 13. 13 is here. 13 is here. 14. Any 15? No 15. 16. Yes, 16 is there. Any 17? 17 is there. Any 18? No 18. Any 19? 19 is there. So these are what? P prime union what? Q. Now the C aspect, which is P union Q prime. Now P union Q prime is what? Let's first of all find P union Q first. So let's find P union Q before looking for the prime. So our P union Q will be what? P union Q. Just bring all these things together. So we have 2, 3, 5, 6, any 7, yes, 7, any 8, no 8, any 9, yes, 9, any 10, no 10, 11, any 12, yes, any 13, yes, any 14, no, 15, yes, any 16, no, 17, yes, any 18, yes, and 19. So these are P union Q. Now looking for P union Q prime is what? What is in this universal set that is not in what? P union what? Q. Now let's look for it. 2 is there, 2 is there. Okay, 2, 3, 2. So we start with 4. 4 is in the universal set, but it's not here. Which other number? 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is not here, but it's here. Okay. 8, 9, 9 is there. What of 10? Is 10 here? No. You put 10. What of 11? 11 is here. What of 12 is also here. What of 13 is also here. What of 14 is not there. What of 15? They have 15. What of 16 is not there. 16. What of 17? They have 17. What of 18? They have it. What of 19? So this is what P union Q prime. So this is how you can solve this wire question. So I hope you understood the question very clearly. Thank you for watching and God bless you. Bye bye.